My two older sons share a bedroom, and they also do their own laundry. So I was looking for a laundry basket that had two baskets that were two different colors so that they could differentiate which one was their own basket. I also wanted something that they could remove the basket from so they could carry their laundry to the laundry room. I also needed something that was going to hold up well. This laundry basket is very sturdy. I don't think I've had a laundry basket this sturdy before. It has some weight to it and it feels like a durable material. The instructions were simple to follow, and the entire setup process took me maybe 10 minutes. The material the baskets are made out of also feels sturdy, and they have a water-resistant feel to the inside. I love that this has somewhat of a discreet look. It doesn't really look like a laundry basket because of the wood shelf on top. Having something like this that isn't noticeable and being a laundry basket, and is also able to be utilized like a shelf or an end table is perfect. The sizing overall is great, and the baskets themselves have plenty of room. This exceeded my expectations. I am so happy with this, and I highly recommend it.